today's topic is disorders related to thyroid gland. Now, what do you mean by disorders? We know that thyroid gland secretes hormone T3 hormone and T4 hormone. T4 hormone is called as thyroxine hormone also, which is very active. Okay, so these hormones, if they are secreted in less quantity, the person will face the disorder or that person will have problem. If that hormone it is secreted in excess quantity, then also that person will have the problem. Now let us study first hypothyroidism. Hypo means less and thyroidism means the secretion from thyroid gland is less. Deficiency of thyroid hormone. Okay, it results in two disorders. The first is called as cretinism and second is called as myxedema. Let us study first cretinism. Deficiency of thyroxine hormone in infant, in very small child. Deficiency of thyroxine, it occurs in infant. Then in this case or in this disorder, what are the symptoms? Now whatever I have written here, all the parameters, they are towards lower side as less hormone is secreted, because this hormone, it controls the overall basal metabolic rate, the physical development, sexual development, mental development, differentiation of the tissue. Okay, so as this hormone it is secreted less, the parameters like basal metabolic rate, body temperature, heart rate, pulse rate, BP, blood pressure, and intelligence quotient also IQ. These all parameters are towards lower side. Okay. Stunted growth. As I said, this hormone is responsible for overall physical, mental, sexual development of that child. Definitely, if this hormone is not secreted or less secreted, that child will have stunted growth. Mentally retarded child. As here it is written IQ, it also related with our IQ, intelligence quotient. So if this hormone it is towards the lesser side, definitely that child will be mentally retarded child. And the other symptoms are that child will have dry skin, thick tongue, then lethargy and constipation also. So these all are related to cretinism, which you will observe in infant. But if hyposecretion, less secretion, it occurs in adult, then the disorder is called as myxedema. Here one word you can see, pudema. Pudema means swelling. Okay, that you have to remember. Again, these parameters, how in case of cretinism, they are towards lower side because thyroxine hormone it is secreted in less quantity. So here also BMR, body temperature, heart rate, pulse rate, BP and IQ, they are also towards the lower side. Swollen face. As I said, oedema means swelling. The face is swollen. Hands are swollen due to the deposition of albuminous tissue, and the name of that tissue is myxomatous tissue. Now, sexual development in case of adult, it also retards or that growth, it is very slow. So, this is all about the disorders related with hypothyroidism. We will study simple goiter. Now, the cause for simple goiter is hypothyroidism. What is hypothyroidism? Less secretion of the hormones of thyroid gland is called as hypothyroidism. Let us study the characteristic of simple goiter. It is also called as iodine deficiency goiter. Now, what is the connection of iodine and the simple goiter? Let us see. Iodine is needed for synthesis of thyroid hormone. As we know that thyroid hormones, these are T3 and T4 hormones, right? For synthesis of these hormone, iodine, it is one of the important factor. Okay. deficiency of the iodine in the diet, it causes enlargement of thyroid gland, which leads to simple goiter. If there is a deficiency of iodine, it results in simple goiter. It is common in hilly area, but this goiter, it can be treated by taking or by providing iodinized salt. Though the size of the gland is increased, but total output of thyroxine is reduced and it results in simple goiter. We will talk about Graves' disease, which is also called as exophthalmic goiter. Now, what is the cause of Graves' disease? Graves' disease, it is due to excess secretion of thyroid hormones. The condition is called as hyperthyroidism. It results in Graves' disease. Let us study what are the characteristics of Graves' disease. Protruding eyeballs. As the name itself indicates that exophthalmic goiter. Here exo means out and ophthalma means eye. So protruding eyeballs. The eyes, it looks like that they will just come out. Okay. Enlargement of thyroid gland. High basal metabolic rate. Increase heart rate. Increase pulse rate, increase body temperature, and it results in weight loss. Osteoporosis, nervousness, and tremor of fingers. Now, if you study here, it is written goiter, but it is exophthalmic goiter. We have studied simple goiter. Okay, simple goiter, and this is exophthalmic goiter. The simple goiter causes deficiency of iodine, and here the cause is excess of secretion of thyroid hormones. We will study calcitonin hormone. It is also called as thyrocalcitonin. Now, this is one of the important hormone of thyroid gland. There are other hormones also, T3 and T4, and this is one more hormone of thyroid gland, calcitonin, which is also called as thyrocalcitonin. Now let us study from where exactly this hormone is secreted. This hormone is secreted by parafollicular cells, which are also called as C cells. C cells, so C stand for calcitonin and C for calcium. So this hormone, it maintain the level of calcium. Okay, so it is also called as C cell. Now, the function of this hormone is it lowers the calcium level in the blood. That is the main function of this hormone. Now, in what way it lowers the blood calcium level? By two ways. It reduces the calcium level in the blood. Number one, whenever blood concentration or the calcium concentration increases in the blood, that calcium, it is deposited in the bone, and hence it avoids osteoporosis. This is the one way. Second way, that excess of calcium, it is also excreted through urine. So in this manner, the calcium level in the blood, it reduces. The secretion of this hormone, that is calcitonin, it is under feedback mechanism. Means what? Whenever the calcium level in the blood increases, immediately the calcitonin, it is secreted by parafollicular cells, and these parafollicular cells or these cells, when secrete calcitonin, it reduces the calcium level in the blood.